And I'm live. Here I am. Here I am. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Help me, please. I'm very scared. I don't want to do this stream. I do and I don't. I do and I don't. Okay. So, many things I have to sort out first. First things first. No pantalones. We're good. Hey, Dada! Loggy! Alright, so first things first. As you can see, I'm all set up. Look, I'm all set up for the stream today. Look at this. Look at this. I'm all set up for the stream. Look at this. I got the game. The game. It's mirrored, so I'm confused. We've got the game. All right, and we have the amount of chilies up there, and I have my status as well. Anyway, so a few things I need to do first. I'm gonna quickly tweet out the stream. I'll be just a sec. Quickly. Swabby! I smell Swabby. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Swabby, how are you, buddy? Anyway, so I'm gonna tweet the stream out real quick. Bear with me. So, publish. So the tweet has been sent. That's good. And I want also share to my Facebook. Hold on, because this is a good one. I want my friends to see how humiliating YouTube can get. Hey, Doug! Nice to see you, buddy. Hang on a sec. I'm getting ready. So share to a page. No, share to myself. Share to my own page. On your own timeline. All right, I'm gonna post the same thing actually. Oh, what? I cannot. Okay. Come watch me suffer. All right, that one's gone as well. All right, I need to make sure everybody sees this. All right, this is like the Bill Cout. Welcome. Oh, you're in for a treat today. Start eating, Swabby says. You're right. There's gonna be terms and conditions for me to eat this stuff. All right. Okay, so now that the tweets. Oh, I'm gonna post it on Discord as well. Hold on. This stream is on fire. All right. So I think we're all set. Anything else? Yeah, I want to show you a few things as well. All right. So the stream is gonna be like this. All right. For every damage that I take, I want to check the pause real quick because I actually did a voting on Twitter to see if it's still a tie. If it's still a tie, I'll decide. Hold on. It's still a tie, so I'll decide. I will decide. Yes, it's going to involve a lot of pain, Bill. That's why it's going to be a treat. All right, look, do you have your bathroom all set? Yes. Toilet paper's in the fridge. Everything's fine, okay? All right, so here's the thing. All right, I'm going to be playing Resident Evil 2. All right, I'm a pro at this game. That's why I'm going to take this challenge. So each time I get damaged, whether it's a zombie bite, a dog, a licker, a William, okay, anything, all right, anything that it could be, I am going to eat a chili. Now, I want to show you the chilies real quick. I have the chilies right here. I don't know if you can see them. Yes, you can. All right. Now, the problem with the chilies is this. All right. I expected to have all of the same size, but no. Otherwise, it would be too easy. I have chilies that are this big. All right. In Maltese, we call them pesisa. And then I have chilies that are this big. So I can be like, oh man, I got damaged. I'm gonna eat a chili. And I'll eat the small one. Alright? So you can be like, oh, you're cheating. The thing is this, I'm gonna start from the smallest. I don't care. I'm gonna start from the smallest, but eventually I'm gonna run out of it. Because sizes vary from this to this, between this and this. All the sizes are in between. Alright? So they're gonna get bigger and bigger the more I get damaged. Alright? So yeah, look at all the different sizes. Look. It's like, look. They're different. No, I can't show you properly. Hold on. Can you see? I don't think you can see. Well, anyway, they're different. I dropped one. They are different sizes. This is what I'm trying to say. They better not be bell peppers. No, come on. Bell peppers are totally different shape. They can't. You touch my tra-la-la. All right. So yeah, with that being said, I also have some wine because it's going to make it less painful. All right. I'll pour the wine when I start the game, actually. And I have water. Water! Actually, I have another bottle just in case. So, well, I think this is gonna be fine. This is gonna be fine. You guys can hear me okay, yes? Okay, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start the game. It's gonna be infinite ammo. I don't care. It's gonna be on normal, but infinite ammo. I don't care. All right, so hold on. Origin game, loud and clear. Perfect.
Resident Evil 2.
And I'm gonna shut up while the cutscene plays. I'm gonna make myself a drink. Bye, have a great time.
A bizarre incident occurred in the outskirts of an American suburb called Raccoon City. It was later revealed that the terrible disaster had been caused by the T virus, a mutagenic toxin created by the international enterprise Umbrella Incorporated for use in bioweapon experiments. The Raccoon City Police Department's Special Stars Unit immediately began investigation. The case was apparently closed, thanks to the efforts of STARS members Chris Redfield and Jill Valentine. But the Umbrella Corporation's experiments were far from finished.
Is it really terrible, the game audio? Seriously?
What have we got here?
Guy's a maniac. Why'd he buy me?
Man, what a mess! What could have done this? What was that? What are these things?
Is it better now?
All right, that's far enough.
Is it better now?
Don't move! Don't move!
I'm stupid emulators, now it is.
No!
Jack. Hold on, I'm supposed to shut up during cutscenes.
What's up with that guy? That was a clean hit. We're running out of ammo here.
Wait! Don't shoot!
Get down! We can't stay out here. Head to the police station. It'll be a lot safer. There! Buckle up.
Okay. What's going on? I arrived in town, and the whole place went
Great.
insane.
The radio's out.
You're a cop, right?
Yeah, first day on the job. Great, huh? Name's Leon Kennedy. Nice to meet you.
Mine's Claire. Claire Redfield. I came to find my brother, Chris.
Hey, could you open the glove box?
Sure. There's a gun inside.
Better take it with you. You okay?
Still in one piece.
Maniac's gonna ram us!
It's about to start, guys. It's about to start.
Run!
Here we go. Here it comes. Here it goes.
Claire!
Leon!
I'm okay. Head to the station. I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Here it comes, guys. Here it comes. Now, I don't know about the speed of the game. I might run super fast. Hold on, because I'm scared now. I hope I don't run super fast because I increased the speed of the game. No, we're good. Actually, they are a bit fast. Okay, okay. Yeah, he's running a bit fast. No, no, hold on. No, it's a bit Benny Hill. Hold on. It's too fast for my taste. Let me try this. Maybe it's better now. We'll fix it when we get in here. Hold on. Kingdom! Sorry, that was too loud. Sorry. And Jack, how are you, Jack?
Freeze! Who are you? What are you doing here?
Hold your fire! I'm human!
Super fast. It's even faster.
Sorry about that. I thought you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
Hey, Raven! Off to work in 20 minutes. Alright, so hold on. Is it better now? Seems like it's slower now. No, I don't like this. Hold on. I need to fix the speed because the game is like, ugh. Maybe 60 frames per second. Hold on. Seems to be okay now. We'll see. So, hold on. I'm also gonna do the auto-aim thing. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. How do you do this? There we go. No. No. Do I have unlimited ammo? Lord Rage! Oh, you're in for a treat, buddy. Have you ever played... Hold on. Yes, I got everything under control here. So have you ever played Resident Evil for each time you get damaged? You eat a hot chili pepper? Huh? Huh? Oh, man. Now I need to impress Senpai, alright? I need to impress Senpai. So far, so good. So far, so good. Come get some. No, 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 no! He's not auto-aiming. What the heck? I can't risk getting hit, not even once. Not even once. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention as well. If I get damaged, even if I'm in the middle of a hot fight, alright, I will pause the game, eat the chili, alright, freak out, burn out, then I'll continue the game. So it's gonna be paused each time I eat the chili, obviously. So, yeah. I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. Last time I did this, who was here? Last time I did this with shots of vodka. Hold on. Hey! And anime tacos. Welcome to the stream. Oh. I'm risking. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. And I need to find the auto aim. Where's the auto aim? There we go. I think we're good now. We're okay now? Yes. Hey, Levy! Check this out. I'm gonna play the game no damage. Yeah, right. If I can ever finish this game no damage, it's gonna be boss. Stay down, sucker. There we go. I'm not taking any risks. I'm not wasting bullets. It's infinite ammo. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. I need to get something in return. All right. I'm eating chilies for every time I get damaged, so I need some unlimited ammo, at least. At least. Welcome to the stream, Calvin. Not even a single bite. Not taking any chances. Stay down, sucker. Ooh. Now this is the tricky part. I may take my first chili here. Or I just shoot all of them. I don't know. Maybe I'll just shoot all of them. I should do this. All of them. All of them. Not taking any chances. One tip I think you're gonna do before entering the room or avoid taking it. I'm not sure I understand that sentence. What you're going to do before entering the room for avoid taking damage. Not sure what you mean. But yeah, if I can kill everything, because I don't want to risk this. Oh no! 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 Oh, that's so cheap. Oh man! Here we go. Oh my goodness. I knew it. I had a feeling. I'm gonna start with the smallest one. That counts. That counts as damage, alright? Oh man. Alright, here we go. Chili number 1. I expected Jack to say that. Because last time he was like, shot number 1. Alright, here we go. We're gonna start with the small one. They're gonna get bigger eventually. I mean, they're gonna get as big as this one. And by the way, last time I played this game with a damage counter, I ended up with 19 hits by the end of the game. So that is not good. Here we go. 1, 2, all of it. Look, look. Dada. Crunchy. You heard it crunch? You see, so you know I ate it. Red and generic. It's okay. I can handle hot. I can handle hot. Don't drink water. Put some sugar. No, I can't have sugar. I'm on low carb diet. I can't have sugar. All right. I can handle a small one. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. God dang it, Vloggy! Sakura hates it when I torture myself like this. But it's gonna be okay. We're gonna be cool. We're gonna be cool. We're gonna be okay. Hold on. We're gonna be okay. Whew. Oh, oh! Alright, we're good. We're good. Sucker! How are you, Sakura? He's doing it on purpose. That's what he said. That's what Jack said when I played it the first time with the alcohol shots, with the vodka shots. He's like, you're doing it on purpose, so he drinks. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Vloggy, I heard that milk is better. Yes, that's what I heard, but I'm a bit lactose intolerant, so I can't have milk either. Hold on. Forgot to... There we go. Oh yeah, fixed it. It's all fixed now. I forgot to put that on. Okay. Who are you? About 2 months ago, there was this incident involving zombies in a mansion located in the outskirts of the city. Anyway. This is no save run? Yes. Yes, Calvin, no save run.
Who are you?
No save run.
Oh.
True!
You
True,
must
you
be
just
the new
retweeted
guy.
me. Come out of lurk.
Leon.
I know you're watching.
Sorry, but
So he gets
it
hit.
looks like
he eats
your
exactly,
party
Sakura. Exactly.
has been cancelled.
Exactly. I'm gonna do this.
What happened?
gonna
About
do
2
this.
months ago, there was this incident involving zombies
In a mansion.
in a
located
mansion
in the outskirts
located
of
in
the
the outskirts
city.
of the city. Chris
True, come
and
out
the
of the
other
lurk.
STARS members discovered that Umbrella
There
was
he is.
behind everything.
I
They
summoned
risked
True.
their lives to reveal the truth,
Oh man.
but no one believed them. Not long after that,
True, I'm not wearing any
all
pants. Look.
this started
on.
to happen.
Look, I'm not wearing any pants.
Hang in there.
Don't worry about me.
Would I die if I
Just
eat all the
rescue
chilies?
the
We're gonna find out,
survivors in
Livy.
the other
We're gonna find
rooms.
out.
Here, take this key card. You should be able to unlock the doors in the hall with this. Now
My
go.
nose is a bit runny.
But just go.
What's with the echo? You can hear the game like echoing,
Fine. But I'm coming back.
or
for
the
you.
echo in the room in my
Just
voice.
hold on.
In the room, like my voice. What echo? Do you hear the game repeating, or do you hear the echo in the room? Pantless team donates life savings. Hey me! Hey me! I always try to find new ways to challenge myself with this game. There's no point picking up the. Yeah. Hey Barry! That sounds interesting. Yes. So far so good. So far so good. If I freak out big time. But the thing is this, you might be thinking like, but he's not freaking out as last time when I played Quiplash and I ate the habaneros on Quiplash, and last time I freaked out big time. But they were habaneros. These are just chilies. So. Vloggy, you using the mic on your headset, not on the computer. Should be. No, the one in the headset. Why? Why? Does it echo? Does it echo in my room? Yes, this room is echoey, kind of. I'm sorry about that. Hold on. Should be okay. Do you hear me echoing? Could be the room. Yeah, the room is echoey. I need to get one of those, a couple of those things you stick on the wall so you avoid the... Yeah, sorry about that. Now you're mute. Yeah, I muted on purpose to test the... Alright, let's go. Liquor. Liquor! Do I get another hit? We are about to find out. Oh, never mind. Echoey room, yes. Get some plush pops in there. You mean Funko Pops? Amy, not plush pops. Here we go. Plush pops. Okay. Sucker! Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Hey, Martin Milk, welcome. Nice to see you, buddy. That's another Resident Evil fan down there. He's a Resident Evil fan. So, do I need to go in here? Yes, I do. Good dodge, of course. Of course. It's the RE2 god. Or I'm sorry, I'm not the RE2 god. No, I don't think of myself as the RE2 god. No. TYT, Sakura. TYT. Maybe I shouldn't be too loud so it doesn't echo that much in my room. I don't know. Lol, in his free time, Vloggy rehearses the opera soundtrack from in his room. What can I sing in this loud in this room? What can I sing? Asshole mia. All right, yeah, that's why it's echoey. Okay, hold on. Like a pro. Okay, hold on. Stay back. Don't come any closer. Stay back. Move. What system am I using? It's iMac. It's the iMac. No, but it's the Dolphin emulator. Nothing? No zombies? I'm paranoid now. I'm paranoid. Yeah, this is the Dolphin emulator, so it's for the GameCube. Yeah, that crap on pre-order even. What? Sorry, I miss what's going on sometimes. Alright, so, why am I in here? I don't know. Martin, you are a Resi fan. Yes, you are, but, I mean, you're nowhere near as good as me, alright? Or Amy, or... I was gonna do a Rick and Morty burp, but... or Rage. Okay. Umbrella Corps. I hate Umbrella Corps. I hate Umbrella Corps as much as Wesker hates Resident Evil 6. Who's got the most pants in the chat? Who's got the most pants? I think it's Cheer. He has the most pants. Let's find out real quick. Hold on. I'm gonna do this puzzle real quick and I'll check how many pants I have. Because I'm curious. Yeah, it's a currency now. It's a currency system called pants. You force the scene for 0 hours, you gather 21 pants. Pants points. It doesn't... I didn't see... Jackhammer has 26. Alright, let's go. I didn't see Cheers. You have 12 pants points. Ah! No! You son of a biscuit! How about we go for a big one? Because. How about that? I'm gonna go for the biggest one. How about that? I have to eat all of it. Seriously, Amy, you're yaying? You're yaying because I'm about to suffer? Really? I'm gonna go for the big one. Giggity. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm just gonna down the whole thing. Because if I eat half of it and it's incredibly hot, I'm gonna get put off eating the rest of it, so... It's gone. I told you my anus is ready. It burns. We're gonna be okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is gonna hurt more tomorrow than today, actually. I'm pretty sure. I can't watch this. No, we're good. Sucker. Whew. Fire in the hole! It was a huge pepper, yes. You know what the fun part is? My throat is hurting, not my tongue or my mouth. My throat. I'm gonna be okay. I felt worse. Don't touch. You guys have to handle. Oh, Amy, I've handled something else after handling the chili. Stop it. You have no idea. Let's just say, don't make sure if you go to the bathroom after handling chilies, washing your hands does not make a difference. Okay, handle your genitalia with a napkin or something. Trust me, I've been there. It's not a good feeling. The wee-wee. The wee-wee.
It's good to see you're still among the
True.
living. It looks like we're not gonna find your brother here after all.
Amy. I wonder how that feels. I think Amy went savage.
There's no reason for us to stay any longer than necessary. Let's split up, look for any survivors, and get out of here.
Right.
One last thing.
Vladimir,
Here's a radio.
welcome.
Take it. That way we can keep in touch if anything happens.
Leon looks like he had a mustache in that cutscene. Did you see that? Alright, let's stop making. Oh, I need to change guns now. I have a better gun. I may get hit again one more time with the liquor because I have to backtrack again now. I'm gonna be honest with you, with reference to what Amy just said about the Vicks thing. Once I had a shampoo, I don't know if it was a shampoo or a shower gel or something, and it was like one of those minty ones, but really powerful minty ones. Like after you shower or you wash your head with it, it kind of burns. Your head feels fresh. In fact, we used to call it the shower gel of. If that makes any sense. Anyway, so I was showering with that thing, and no, that doesn't count as damage, by the way, though. That still won't count as damage, okay? Just so we're clear. I forgot about that, though. That doesn't count. That still doesn't count. Even if they got me, that doesn't deal any damage. Just so we're clear. I might get damaged here. Whew. Whew. So anyway, I was showering with that thing, and when I was rinsing myself. Did I get him? Sucker! Teabagging! Alright. So yeah, as I was saying, I showered, and as I was rinsing myself and the soap was going down, I felt the Vicks effect. Let's call it the Vicks effect. Tingly, yeah, tingly. We used to call that the shower gel of. If that makes any sense. I keep pressing start to go to the status, the inventory, because of outbreak. Okay, guys, you know what? Next pepper is gonna be this one. This one. I'm gonna keep it, I don't know, here. Okay? Did I pick it up? No. Hey, Sazzy! Welcome! Welcome to the torture of Vloggy. Entry, please. Take a seat and laugh. I don't have a wine already? That's not good. You know what I got today? I got the vodka absolute. Mandarin flavor. Yeah, it's empty. Those are Avengers behind you, Vloggy. Yes. Well, actually, the ones you can see are probably Avengers. Yes. What can you see from the picture? There's yeah, those are the ones. But on this side of the wall, there's actually X-Men and what's that guy? Iron Fist, apparently. Hold on. Can you stay quiet when I hit the last one? Yeah, sure, why not? Lurk away. He's gonna die on stream. No, no, Amy. I'll tell you when I die. I'll tell you when I'm gonna die. When I hit 2K, I'm gonna do the same stream again, but with tequila. Tequila kills me. I think it's gonna end, the stream's gonna end. It's gonna end like a Wesker stream, like this. No. It won't end like that, but I will do it with tequila. I kid you not. 2K, come on guys, 2K! 2K subs. Hi Vloggy. Hey, V4! I'm not used to your new profile picture. Change it back to that creepy doll. I'm kidding. This is better. Is that you? How does this challenge work? Every hit? Yes, every single hit, 1 chili. Ah, not bad. Vloggy fell asleep. Yeah, he did. And the stream goes on without me for like another 5 hours. Oh man. I just got in here and heard snores. FIFA! FIFA! Which way? This way. You're gonna be in pain tomorrow? Yeah, I put toilet paper in the fridge already. It's okay. What was the expression Julian used earlier? He said like brown Taco Bell something. What was he saying? I don't know, but I like that. I forgot to check my pants. Oh, there's gonna be a... Oh, yeah, there's no more cutscenes now. People can still call you Irving. Would you like me to call you Irving or Anime Tacos? Because people change username for a reason, so I don't know. I like to... Boom! Goes your head. Goes your head. I like to stay updated with their current usernames because I feel like that they changed the username for a reason. I don't know. That's just me. I bet you eat over 5 chili. When I did this, Vloggy the Pepper Man. I like that. I like that. So last time I did this challenge, as I was saying, in case of you who missed it, I did this challenge before, but I did it with vodka shots. And by the end of the stream, I took 19 shots. The stream is somewhere on my channel, but it's still there. But yeah, 19 by the end of the stream. So yeah. Right. I need to get tattoos on my hands. R and L. I'm kidding. Everything's fine. Okay. Are you leaving? Are you leaving? Oh yeah, you are. Okay. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you so much for hanging out, Irving. You have a good one. Make sure you leave a like on your way out. Out. Hey, Saranya! Nice to see you. Welcome. I'm full, yes? Yeah, dang it. Oh, I love that music and the... I'm thirsty and I don't feel like drinking water. I want to save the water for something else. I want to show you guys something. Hold on. Not that. And let me just get into the safe room real quick and I'll show you something. Hey, sucker. Hey, Lloyd. Bonjour, monsieur. Ça va? Who speaks French here? No! Oh, so close! So close. Oh, almost so closed again. Okay. Yesterday we had an Italian stream. We had a lot of Italians in the stream, and I was pressured into talking in Italian. So, I don't need the plug, and not even the crank for now. Yeah, I said I was going to show you something. Hold on. I hope it works. Before I started the stream, oui, bonjour, Vloggy. Before I started the stream, I tested something out, the camera. If I had to stand up, I'm not wearing any pants. Will it show my underpants? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I'm gonna go make myself a drink, because I don't want to drink water. I'll be right back. Hold on. Flare Wolf, I see you. I'll be right back. I'm back. I rambled to myself for a little bit. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself a drink. Sorry about that. Bear with me. This, it's too precious. Is absolute blackcurrant. It's vodka blackcurrant, and it has no sugars. So it's perfect. It's perfect. I'm gonna put this on the floor. So this is a no pants stream. FIFA, all streams, or all vloggy streams are no pants streams. Okay, okay, okay. Listen, by the way, I heard people call you FIDA. Is it FIDA or FIFA? I stick to FIFA because your username demands FIFA, so I stay with FIFA 98 or 99 or 2000 or 2015. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Sorry about that. Let's continue. Oh damn, Vloggy, that sounds nice. It is nice. It smells like... man. Okay. It is a no pants stream, yeah. I think this is the official first no pants stream though for the summer, because obviously in winter it gets cold, so. Oh, I went through the door by mistake. That wasn't supposed to happen. Sorry. Philly! Philly, you missed it. I had two already, and it burns. Philly, you missed the first two already. But that's fine. I got a whole bowl. Let me show you the bowl, by the way, for those of you that missed it. Hold on. Let me show you the bowl. Hold on. There they are. Different sizes. Oop! One of them fell. Different sizes, different shapes. Ah, yeah, right. Let's go. Wish You choose. I'm gonna stick to FIFA because your username says FIFA at the bonds. FIFA. You see, the thing is this. I had a friend of mine, an actual IRL friend of mine, and he came to the stream, and I recognized his username. And I went, "Hey, Kevin!" And he goes, "I'm sorry, but I have a username for a reason." Like, oh, okay. And he has a point. He has a point. Oh, yeah. So, Vloggy, how is the giant Iron Man mug? Giant Iron Man mug? I do have an Iron Man mug, but it's not giant. And how do you know I have an Iron Man mug? Are you here? Alright. I remember, I was there. Yes. It was one of the earlier streams, I think. Like, Uncharted. This time, what day is it today? 3rd of May. I think this time last year is when I got Uncharted, and I streamed Uncharted. It was like one of my first streams ever, and I streamed a game that wasn't released yet. And I remember Wesker being in this. Sorry, I burped. I remember Wesker being in the stream. And he's like, "Oh my goodness, you have about 50 people watching you," and it got out of control. I got a lot of hate because I was streaming a game that wasn't out yet, and yeah, it was fun though. And then I got a copyright strike. Boo. I'm out now. My connection can't stand the live streaming. I'll see you around. Okay, FIFA, thank you so much for hanging out though. Take care. I had a great time. I saw it in one of your unboxing videos. Oh, you did? Okay, yeah, that's right. Oh, I'm so stupid. Yes, I made a video unboxing that. Why do I ask people certain things? It's so funny. I used to vlog back in my day. There's some of them are still on this YouTube channel. I used to vlog, and you know, I used to travel and do this and that, blah blah blah. And then I used to have like colleagues at work or random people that I don't know, and they tell me, how was that thing when you went there? Or like, how did you know I've been there? They're like, it was on your vloggy. I'm like, oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. Vloggy, your first live stream, what was it about? Well, my first live stream was actually a test live stream. Was actually a test, and I played Oddworld New and Tasty, but it was just a test live stream. So I don't really consider that as a, you know. And before that I used to do Let's Plays on my channel. I used to do Let's Plays, 15 minutes every day. I used to, like, let's say I was playing, I don't know, I used to play Resident Evil 6, for instance. I used to play 15 minutes every day, upload it like that. Yeah. But my official first live stream was Uncharted. Uncharted 4, I was gonna say 5. There's someone new in the chat. Hey, your little sister, or I guess she is, watching you from behind, trying to scare you. Be more faster than her. What are you talking about, Dark Birdo? Dark 8 Beto. What you talking about, Willis? Welcome to the stream. I do have a little sister though. How do you know that? Oh man, I'm getting freaked out now. Vloggy, speaking of Uncharted Lost Legacy, when does it arrive? I think it's 25th of June. 25th of June, I think. Another plug. Hold on, anything else? I don't need the valve either, We're good. Let's go. It's gonna be a while before I get another damage. So where do I go from here? Down here. Yes. Haha, lol. Tried to throw you, hoping to scare you, look back. The thing is, Dark, I actually do have a little sister. I do. So I thought maybe she was watching me. I thought you meant like she's watching me from her computer at home. I don't know, something like that. But she shouldn't be watching because it's 1 a.m. and she's 9 years old. Is there someone behind Vloggy? V4 did that to me once actually, but she beat you to that. Hello zombies. I want you to check this out. Whoa, let's go. Alright, there we go. Another one. Anybody else? No. So what was I saying? Yeah, Varo beat you to that actually. Because once I remember I was playing Resident Evil 0 in the living room on the couch. Hold on. Let me take care of this guy's spot. Yeah, and she kept saying there's someone behind her. Yeah, she kept doing that. And she did make me look back a couple of times. She's like, is there someone in the room with you? Because I keep seeing shadows. Maybe she was seeing things. I don't know. 2236, I don't need that. I'm gonna pick these up. I'd love to have a sweet chili vloggy, please. What? I forgot where I need to go. If someone behind the Avengers would protect me. It's true. It's true. Get hurt, VloggyBuddy. I will. I will. Patience, my friend. The game is so easy for now, so... Game is still easy for now. I was supposed to go this way. I forgot. I'm stupid. This is so good. This is so good. I recommend. If you like booze for kids. Not use shotgun. No, shotgun is good. I was actually gonna cheat, like get the magnum straight away from the beginning, but like nah, let's not. Let's not. All right, am I gonna get hurt here? I hurt myself today. See if I still feel. I focus on the pain. The only thing that's real. I went from Mr. Chow to Johnny Cash. What have I become? My sweet. No! I got cocky. I got close to him. I ran towards him on purpose. Oh yeah, I promised I would eat this one. Ugh, me and my big mouth. You can tell it's a good cigar. Does anybody have a light? Time to crunch. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. It's a big one, huh? Yeah. What came out wrong? I should have retracted it. She didn't give me a chance to read it. Alright, here we go. You guys can hear the crunching. Don't forget to munch it good. It's not as hot as the habaneros, huh? It's hot, but not as hot as the habaneros. Raven Rose, thank you for the retweet. I appreciate that. You see, I changed it to danger right now. Oh, I'm gonna burp a big one. Hold on. for extra points. Speaking of points, let me check my pants. Come on, game. I think I'm the only one that's not getting enough pants in this game. In this thing. By the way, stream vlog is gonna turn into a dragon. Like it was 0 hours. What? I made yesterday's stream and today's stream. I still had 0 hours. What? What the what? This is weird. Alright. Let's go. I'm gonna burp up again, sorry. That was a hot burp. Throw away the nipple. Go on and play. Alright. I think Cheer has the most pants. Hold on. I think you can only check once every half an hour, so if you just check recently. Did you guys hear that? I'm sorry. Alright. Let's go. Son of a biscuit. You could hear the crunching, seriously. Oh, let's change it. Let's change it back to fine. We're fine now. You mean the burp? Yeah, you didn't hear the burp, right? I got a challenge for myself. If Vloggy ever dies, I will eat 2 ghost chilies, peppers, and not here. Update. Oh yeah, that's right. Thank you, Amy. Thank you. You see, Amy's awesome. Amy's awesome. She gets hugs for that. You get hugs. There we go. Whew. Tomorrow, I heard that vlog. What? No, you didn't hear the burp. My mouth was closed. Really? You could hear that? Alright. Tomorrow it's gonna hurt, huh? I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. You know what? I focus. Vlog used growl, it was super effective. Actually, there's no such thing as a super effective growl. I love that song. I love Mr. Chow's version. I love Mr. Chow's version. Philly. That was close. I got too close. You remember that song? Too close. Baby, when we're crying, I get so excited. Nothing like Vloggy singing some Johnny Cash. Alright, I'm not gonna pick this up because I'm not gonna pick up the spray. Because one, I don't need it. Two, he's still. Whoa! I thought he comes out when. I thought he comes out when you pick up the spray. Alright. Joke's on me. Alright, we're done here. Yeah, Johnny Cash. But I like Mr. Chow's version better, so... Did you know that Mr. Chow's name, his real name, the actor's name, is Ken? I find that hilarious. Ken is a funny name. Oh, let's go. No more drink for you, Vloggy. Aeroblast. V4, we need to play Pokemon together. Somehow. Somehow. Someday, somehow, I'm gonna make it right, but not right now. I keep singing every single word I hear. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna get the Magnum, I just realized. I'm not a big fan of country songs, honestly. There are a few ones that I like, but there's that one that I like. On the first part of the journey, There was something that I don't know. Ah! No! You. Na 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 na. Ah! I choose you. I'm gonna choose this one now. Vloggy, you are the very best. Yeah, Amy, I'm gonna throw this at you. Oh man, I'm gonna have to eat this. Red! 30 people watching. No, seriously? Vera? Oh, oops, that came out in Maltese. Vera? Vera means really in Maltese. Really? Seriously? 32? Wow, really? Wow. Come on, guys, like the stream. God dang it. God dang it. Wow, okay. The thing is, I don't like to look at how many people are watching because I feel pressured. Alright, guys, 33 viewers, this is for you. Baby! Here we go, here we go. As soon as I calm down, I'll tell you something about chilies. Oh. Hang on. Hang on. Hold on. Alright, so, sorry, a few new people showed up in the stream and I didn't even say hi. I'm so rude. There's Angelo. Hello, Angelo. Nice to see you. This is how much I love Resident Evil, Angelo. Hey, Tiago. Welcome. Hello, Brazil. And, yeah, I'm getting tears in my eyes. This one was hotter. So, alright, so, yeah, chilies are different from each other. You can get one this big and it won't be hot, and you can have one this big and it'll be hotter than 6. You know, chilies are very funny. Hey, Juan, how are you, buddy? That's the thing with chilies, and I love chilies so much that I even grow them myself. I grow little teeny tiny ones. And to be honest with you, these teeny tiny ones are very hot as well, huh? I was hoping these wouldn't be that hot. I was singing and I got distracted. What hit me? A dog, eh? Keep it up, Vloggy. Tonight, Vloggy's gonna rip his pants in his toilet. Alright, let's go again. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? What? Are you freaking kidding me? For those of you that just joined, alright, it's it's 1 damage equals 1 chili. I haven't cooled down yet from the previous one. Yeah, it does count. Yeah, it does count. Chili number 5. I'm gonna take this one. Ta-da, ta, ta-da-da-da. You should make a burp counter. You can't hear the burps with the ones. No, you can't hear burps, can you? I'm trying to keep my mouth closed. Alright, here we go. This was really hot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this was really hot. Oh my goodness, this is really hot. Oh my god. This is as hot as the habanero ones from New Year's Eve, remember? Ah, my lips, my tongue, my mouth. Maybe because I haven't cooled down from the previous one, I don't know. Right now I'm on danger. Right now I'm on danger, you see it? Thank you for the follow, thank you for the follow, Sazzy. Oh. You know what the best part is, guys? I ate 5 chilies. I'm dying here. I have how many people watching? I'm gonna check now. I have 29 right now watching, and I haven't gained the sub. Oh, that was hot. Wow, that was the hottest. That's right, one. I've touched my eyes before with hot chili peppers. I've touched my eyes. I've touched other areas as well. Giggity. This is a 2-liter bottle. Check this out. Okay. Okay. Whew. Wow, that was the hottest one yet, huh? I'm gonna leave it on danger for now because I haven't recovered. I can't die again, huh? Oh! Oh man! I'm gonna die tonight. Tonight I'm gonna die, and if I don't die tonight, I will die tomorrow. They will find me like this on the toilet. Oh my goodness. I did one with the shots, yes, it's somewhere there on YouTube. If I hit 2K, it's gonna be tequilas. Tequilas. Oh, that's cool. Tequilas. 2K. Tequilas. There we go. The universe has spoken. Yeah, Leon's nearly dead as well. Hey, Diego! Vlog, you're gonna die. I better die. I better die in this game, so I don't... Somebody just subscribe. Who just subscribed? Diego. Hey, thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna have another chili. And this one's for you, buddy. This one's for you. I'm gonna have a small one now, huh? But again, it doesn't matter if it's a big one or a small. You can have a small one that's super hot and a big one that's not even hot. So anyway, I'm putting this off. Save your throat. No, I mean I have to pause the game. What do you want me to do? Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. It's hot. Bring out the wine. I ran out of wine actually. Empty. But I have vodka. Oh, it's hot, but it's not hot. Not as hot as. All right, hold on. He's not gonna die, I was just on caution. Son of a biscuit. Vloggy's got them skills though, huh? Come on. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Ah, it's safe in here now. You son of a biscuit! You're gonna burn my anus tomorrow. Bye bye, anus. Yep. My anus would be very fire hot tomorrow. No dogs in here, eh? Hold on, no. Cutscene.
Sorry about that. When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
Who are you?
Ada Wong.
And what are you doing here?
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types, always looking for a scoop. I heard he was locked up in the cell block, only there's a wrecked car barring the entrance. I've been trying to find another way inside. If we work together, we can move this thing. Give me a hand here, will you?
My goodness. So you guys could hear the crunching, huh? Of the... We're gonna be okay for the next couple of moments. Please let us know how painful. You want the picture of it, Amy? It was so painful New Year's Day, huh? After I did the Quiplash stream with the habaneros. It was so painful. Really bad. Really bad. But it's fine. I love hot stuff. I want some hot stuff, baby, to see me. Alright, that's enough. And who the heck are you? I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. How are you, True? I missed some peppers. You missed. I got stun locked by dogs. I got stun locked. I had like two or
Let
three
me
in a
guess.
row.
You
Alright,
must
I'm gonna
be
go on
Ben,
mute. I
right?
don't need to go on mute actually.
Get up, now.
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here.
Is this the guy?
Ben? You told the city officials that you knew something about what's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
And who the heck are you?
I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella based in Chicago, but he suddenly disappeared 6 months ago. I heard a rumor that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to tell you?
Okay, I say we leave him in there. Does anyone know where they put the key to this cell?
I have it right here, officer. But I'm not about to leave this cell. Those zombies aren't the only things crawling around out there.
What was that?
Like I said, I'm not leaving this cell. Get out of here before you lead it right to me.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere. I'm the only cop left alive in this building.
What?
Look, if you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance, but it won't be easy.
All right, I'm going.
Alright. I've been dying to do this. Hold on. I want to speak Spanish, alright? I want to speak some Spanish. Tell me if I have the accent, alright? Comadre, ¿cómo está? Muy bien, me la pasé muy bonito hoy en la escuela. Y venido a vlog y sufrir que ma podría pedir. Oh, lol. Now Jack says, tequila a raudales? Did I have the accent or no? No. I tried. Come on. I'm a sport. I tried. What? What? That cute accent. What, V4? What? You're gonna mock my Spanish, eh? You see, I haven't met my Spanish teacher in a while. Sometimes she lurks now on the streams. Yeah. Sometimes. Hey, Nep Comics. Did you get the photo record? No, I don't need the Rebecca photo. That's okay. I have it saved on my hard disk. On my actual computer. I can watch it anytime. When I'm alone. I'm sorry. But I know the trick. I know the trick. I know the trick. I'm gonna kill them. I don't want to risk getting hit. Where are they? Spooder! Spooder! No! 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 Did I get hit? 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 I did, eh? I got hit, eh? Yeah, I did, according to Amy. But then again, Amy loves watching me suffer. She's like, so even if I didn't get hit, she would say yes. Incoming, Papa! Papa number 7! I'm gonna take a small one because... Why should I get rid of the big ones? Oh man. Oh man. I have the William Birkin fight. That's what is worrying me. The William Birkin fight. Let's go for a small one again. Please be good to me. Don't be very hot, okay? Twice? What? No, not twice. I didn't get hit twice. Did I get... No. Shut up, V4. Shut up. And poison. Yeah. First tackled you. Later the acid. So to... Seriously? No. Really? No. I was going to say the Maltese. Really? No. Don't lie to me. Don't make me watch the stream. Because I will. I think it was twice. Everybody's saying twice. You know what? I'm not scared. I'm a tough guy, okay? If I wanted, I would insert these anally. Suppositories. Alright, to hits the members. I don't care. Everybody's saying that. If you're trolling me, alright, I will never forgive you. Numero uno. V4. No, I believe you. I believe you. Alright. My mouth is going numb. I may have to get another bottle of water, actually. Alright. Alright. Another small one, I don't care. My goodness. Please be good to me. Because he's a stallion. I'm a stallion, baby! Alright, here we go. It's a freaking hot one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What you doing to me, spooders? He's in danger mode. I am in danger mode. man. Come on, Vloggy, man up. Please, no more Vloggy. No! I'm a man with muscle, with actual muscle. It's not danger for your health, actually. Capsaicin, the ingredient in the hot chili peppers, fights cancer cells. So I'm never gonna get cancer. Oh man. Amy. Giggity. I can't even say giggity properly with the heat in my mouth. Please, spider, be good to me. No! You son of a... Oh man. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna die. My anus will burn like the fire of hell. Tomorrow in Malta is going to be a hot day. It's going to be a very hot day tomorrow in Malta. Not because of the sun, but I'm going to emit so much heat. Mac Night! Oh, I need to update it again. 9 now. Wow. Wow. What happened? Okay, there we go. Amy, since you make art, you should make... Was that a fart or a burp? You heard that? I'm poisoned, eh, madam? Sorry, that was Maltese. Yes, I'm poisoned. I'm poisson. Maybe vodka will help. I was gonna say, Amy, since you make art, you should make me some art. Drew already made me some art, alright? He made me naked, streaming. I keep pressing start for the inventory. Wow, that was hot, huh? Still burning. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I feel bad. Don't feel bad. No. Stop. Hold your horses. Don't feel bad. First of all, I can handle hot food. Okay? 1, 2. I'm doing this myself. Nobody's making me do this. So, yeah, that's classy art. Okay? Yes. Okay. Whew. Stupid button. Lol, okay, so she's gonna make me one. That's good. Make me some art. Don't forget that I am very muscly. If you want, Amy, if you want, I can take my shirt off so you can get an idea what I look like to draw me. Right? But
Ada?
when I do take my shirt off, I'm gonna skip the cutscene, I don't feel like it. When I do take my shirt off, keep in mind that I'm very funny. Alright. 1 hour, 2 hours. Look at Cheer, he's got 2 hours. And he's at 85 points. What about me? It's almost nothing. 0 hours. Why am I stuck at 0 hours? What the heck? Shirtless vloggy stream. Yeah. I wonder if I get banned or something. By the way, my heat wore down, so I'm gonna go back to fine again. There we go, back to fine. Skype is stream. Oh, no, no! Oh, you son! No! No, 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 no! No! Oh my goodness, that was so close! That was so close. I think you need to be active in chat, I think, to get the points. Because, I mean, how am I still at 0? What the deuce? I don't know. It still says 0 hours. What the deuce? And Heidi. Hi, Heidi. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so. Get down. No. Push. MacKnight! The active you are in chat, the more hours you have. There you go. You need to be active in chat, apparently. Not just watch the stream, apparently. Because Cheer, he even gave me some of his points. And he still has more than me. Like, what? The more I talk in chat, the more coins you get. There we go. There we go. ¿Qué pasa, chica? There you go. You see the accent. You see the accent. Hang on, let's try again. Let's try again. Hace rato que viene LOL. Oh, no. Que viene LOL. You see, I have Spanish. You gave me all your pants. There you go. I cannot quick turn. I miss quick turn. Alright, I need to shoot the dogs, huh? I can't afford to not eat another chili. I need to get my Magnum. Magnum runs! I'm gonna keep spamming. I'm gonna keep spamming, I don't care. Floor. I'll show you. Can we hear Maltese accent? Alright, here's the thing. I don't have a typical Maltese accent. Maltese accent sounds as the following. Alright, so for the next 1 minute, I'm gonna speak in a Maltese accent. The typical Maltese accent. If you had to come to Malta and go to the grocery store or speak to any random Malteser on the street, alright? This is how they would sound. Here we go. Hello, Cheer, how are you? Welcome to the stream. And hello, Lloyd, nice to see you. Hey, MacKnight, sounds good, that accent, that's very good. My Maltese here in Malta, we speak like this, alright? Yes, if you had to come to Malta, it will sound a lot like this. This is the Maltese accent, and I really, really hate it, alright? So, that is why I don't sound like that, because I watch a lot of television. Right, there you go. Yeah, that's the... Just to let you know, while studying these chilies to draw in my journal, I have gotten a little bit in my eye. Alright, that's enough. But that's true. That's how Maltese people sound like. That's true. That's true. And I need to pee now. All this water. What do you expect?
Leon, can you hear me?
Mamma mia!
Did you find anything?
I don't feel like watching the cutscene. Mamma mia! It's me, Mario! It's me, Vloggio! It's me, Nightfall! Is he still here? Yeah, I think she's drawing something. I don't know. She's drawing something. I don't know. I used to date a girl once. Um, and she was so good. She was so good at drawing. Sorry, she was so good at drawing. She was so talented. She used to draw manga, but she doesn't copy an image or anything like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just realized. There's no dogs here, eh? No. And she was so good at drawing manga. It's not like she copies or anything like that from the top of her head. Alright, I'm gonna try to avoid the liquors. I'm guessing another chili here. Run, buddy, run! No, no! One. Okay, I know I have to eat one. I'm good. And two. Wow, wow, wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I have to eat two. I have to eat two. I have to eat two. Hold on. I have to eat two. So as I was saying, I dated this girl and she was so good. She even made a manga about me and her, like a story. It was so good. It was so good. Elizabeth, Elizabeth. Yeah, yeah. If I had to name those liquors, I would call them V4 and Amy, because those are the ones that are enjoying seeing me get hurt. So those were Amy and chasing me to hurt me, so I get to. All right. Wow. I'm gonna take two small ones. That's as I have to go. Please, please, please don't hurt. Please don't hurt. Look, I can make a Dracula. Alright, here we go. Is Midna here? Did I see Midna? Yes, she's here. Hey, still sick. Just took NyQuil, so I might doze off. That's alright, Midna. You focus on getting some rest. Don't worry about hanging out here. Alright? Don't worry about. I want you to rest and feel strong so you come back stronger than ever. Alright. What lame? What's lame? The comic book from my ex. It was fantastic. She was so good. Here we go. Get ready for the crunching. I wonder, do I still have her comic books lying around? I think I do. I could show you. That was my nose, okay? It wasn't a fart, it wasn't anything. How are you, Elizabeth? Okay. One down, one more to go. I'm gonna get the Magnum once I go up the stairs. I went up the stairs already, actually. So I'm gonna get the Magnum. Vloggy, just so you know, I took a bite of this chili just for. Why, Amy? Don't. All right. Tomorrow you're gonna message me from the toilet. And you're gonna be like, Vloggy, look what you made me do, and I didn't make you do anything, and I'm gonna be sad, and then I'm gonna come over and. Anyway. All right, I'm gonna eat this one. I have a feeling this one's hot. I don't know why. Hot one. This one's hot. Yeah, the seeds are the worst. But, oh my goodness. Back to being danger. It's not even funny anymore. Guys, if I don't stream for the next month or so, just know that I love you. I cannot drink milk Sakura. I'm lactose. We'll make more fireworks tomorrow. Oh, This was a hot one. Okay, be right back, guys. I'm gonna get more water. Oh. Did you see my undies when I walked in? You may have seen my boxers for a split second. It's true. I saw them myself on the viewfinder, so... Oh, man, I got another bottle of water. Kickstarter Vloggy's toilet cleaning products. Oh, man. So... Brave of Vloggy's toilet. You saw them? What color? Sakura, I dare you. What color? Whoever says the color of my undies. Because I walked in casually and I just realized they showed a little bit. I just sent something on Twitter, I think you mean. Blue? Yes! Doug, stop looking at my underwear! It's true. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, I just got something. What's a video? It's a video. I don't have the time to watch a video right now. Or maybe I should make some time to watch the video. Because it still burns, huh? Is my tongue red? It's kind of reddish, hey? Oh, come on, Sakura. I didn't see that much. Oh, man. Okay, more water. I'm sorry about this. I need to add another... it's blue. Yes, it is, Elizabeth. Thank you. Still burns. It's light blue. Alright, so. I need to add another one. Yes, I need to add another one. Just like the sky. Alright, I'm going to add another one. Because I did eat another one, did I? 10 chilies. Hold on, it went out of frame. Alright, maybe like this. Maybe like this. 10 chilies. There we go. I want to watch it actually. I want to watch the video that you sent me because I'm curious now. I want to watch it now. What? 11? Have I eaten 11? 11, that's right. All right. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna die. Should I make a live stream from the toilet tomorrow as well? You owe me a vlog. Alright, so, hold on. Seriously, Amy! Hold on, it's loading. I don't know why.
I've just said bye to this. I'm having another one just to prove it.
Why, Amy?
Yeah, I got it in my eye.
Why, Amy?
I'm trying to dodge the siege.
Why are you doing this, Amy? Can I show this video? Oh my goodness. Oh man. I got tears in my eye. Oh, don't touch your eyes. Oh my goodness. I loved it when she went. Can I show this? I won't. No, I won't. It's so funny. All right. I show it. I show it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm a bad influence. Don't touch your eye. Why, Amy? Why? I'm such a bad influence. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah, we suffer together, you and me. Let's suffer together. I'm good to go for more. And let's switch back to fine, because I'm fine again. Let's go. I'm good to go. Let's go. You're curious. Yes, so am I. So am I. And you know what they say? Curiosity killed the cat. But GG, well done. I admire that in a person. Yes, no problem. Nothing wrong with being curious. Otherwise, you'd wonder for the rest of your life what it would have been like, you know? That's why I do these things. And now I have a Magnum. Things just got easier, I think. Stop pressing start. You live once. YOLO! YOLO. In my case, I live forever. Alright, suffering together. Oh, sounds so romantic. Yes, exactly. Like Romeo and Juliet, but instead of they committed suicide together or something, yes? Anyway, so what we'll do, we'll take chilies together. Together forever, no matter how long, from now until the end of time. Anybody knows what that song's from? Come on, first person that gets it, that gets the answer correctly, wins a hug and bragging rights. I think V4 is gonna get it first, however. You gotta finish this vloggy for Amy's effort, okay? I think V4 is gonna guess the song. When I come over, do the cheese, I do the shots. Sing it again, vloggy. All right, let's do it again. Who's gonna guess this song? But no, don't cheat. Do not type the lyrics in a Google search. That's not good. Don't do that. Yeah, V4. There you go. She got it. That's it. I knew she would. V4's boss. She got it. You see? That's a Pokemon song. Together forever, no matter how long, from now until the end of time. I'm sorry, I can't sing properly, but we are gonna have a singing stream one of these days. Oh, I keep pressing start because of Outbreak. Let's play some Outbreak this weekend. Come on, nothing in the room. We'll be together. Maybe we'll do one at the end of the stream. Maybe we'll do one at the end of the stream. Did I need... No. I just need the lighter, right? Yep. Maybe we'll do a Pikachu jukebox at the end of the stream, if I'm not too weak. You just touched my heart. Sing it all now, please. I actually don't know the whole... What am I doing? What am I doing? So yeah, we do that, Amy, whenever you want. Next week? Next month? Come. Come. No, but seriously. But seriously. Oh, time for me to do Russian accent. I'm quite impressed you managed to stay alive up until now. I can make a very good Russian accent, I think. Not always, though. Sometimes it changes into my regular vloggy accent. Yes, I played this not long ago, vloggy. We're gonna be okay for a while now because I got the Magnum. I'm a boss. So, where do I go from here? Trying to think. Well, I blanked out for a sec. Yes, Elizabeth, you got it. I see you're doing a gaming pepper challenge. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Water master for. Yes, that's what everyone says. Did I hack my 3DS? No, but I think I found another way to hack it, which requires a Pokemon Ruby, Omega Ruby, or Alpha Sapphire copy, and I have those. So I think I'm gonna find a way. In another stream vlog, you better run for some. You know, you just gave me an idea, Amy. Really, you gave me an idea for a stream when you come over. You gave me an idea. It's gonna be fun. You have to go see the liquors again. I'm gonna go see the liquors actually, yes. You know what though? The thing is this. I really don't want to have another chili. I really don't. So I'm gonna take the long way around. I'm gonna take the long way around to avoid to avoid that liquor. I don't care. I don't care. I don't know, when I'm in a routine of managing my health, some days are good, yeah, I know. We'll talk privately. That's a wink. Oh, I'm gonna give up, Vloggy. What? Yeah, of course. Yeah, wear what you want. I wonder if I can do a shirtless stream. I would love to do something out of the ordinary, but no, I would look like a douche streaming shirtless. I don't mind. I wouldn't mind really, honestly, but I would look like a douche. Eric! Yes, chili challenge indeed. Chili challenge indeed. What? Did I see Samuka? Oh, hello, Samuka. There you go. I missed your name. It's a good thing someone else said hi. Otherwise, I would have missed your name. Welcome. I was lurking on some of your streams, by the way, Samuka. I was lurking on some of your streams. You're good. You're good. But not as good as me. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But yeah, I was lurking on your streams. You are good, my friend. Ah, that's alright, Midna. That's alright. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate that. Get some rest. Your health comes first. I always say that. Take care, get some rest, and I will see you next time. Bye, have a good night. Wearing a knit cap and summer sunglasses indoors will make you a douche, Vloggy. Yeah. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. You know what I should do? Draw some mustache. Draw a mustache and then put some Gunther glasses right now. No. I'm impressed how good the game looks on the GameCube. This looks gorgeous. Looks gorgeous. Next time I'm gonna do something crazy like this is... Still burns, huh? When I hit 2k subs. 2k subs, guys! 2k subs! Return of the mustache vloggy. Today, I don't know if you saw my tweet. I tweeted an old thumbnail that I made from my old vloggy buddies. No! Did I bring my... Yes, I did. Oh my goodness, I freaked out. I did a vlog where I shaved just everything but my mustache, and I did a Freddie Mercury dance, and I called that vlog Vloggy Mercury. It was a very old vlog, and I came across the thumbnail today and I tweeted it. It's so funny. Do a chubby buddy? What's a chubby buddy? Are you calling me chubby? How many times have I played this? Oof, too many times. In fact, I am working on... From Mario to Maltese. Chubby buddy. I'm working on streaming this game blindfolded one of these days. I'm gonna do it. I just need to figure out the setup, how it's gonna be, because I need to be facing this way. The game is gonna be behind me, so you guys can see that the monitor is behind me and I'm facing the wall, but the camera needs to be in front of me, so it records like that. I don't know. I need to figure something out. No!
Get away!
I can't believe I actually ate 11 chilies. I can't even believe it myself, but I did, and I have the proof. It's on video. I still have more to go. I can't afford to get damaged so much more. Huh? I need to be careful. Get that scum. Make him pay.
Ben! Can you still hear me? Come on, answer!
Damn. I don't believe this. I almost got the story.
Doesn't really.
Ben!
Bitter irony. The chief of police, a co-conspirator. Get that scum. Make him pay.
Hang in there, Ben.
Oh, my chest. It's burning.
What's wrong?
Good God, what was that?
Okay, I just lowered the time from 30 minutes to 10 minutes for the cooldown to check pants. So let's try again now. There we go. 37, still 0 hours. What the deuce? Alright, that's okay. That's okay. Should be able to check now more often.
Where
Ada, wait!
To the chemical plant. I have a feeling that's where I'll find John.
Ada, wait! Hey!
Wow, Lloyd, you got 39.
Do you read me, Claire? We now have access to the back of the parking lot.
You got more than me.
Got it.
I'm getting
How
out
does
of
that
here
work?
and
I
heading
don't
to
know
the
how it
sewer.
works. Anyway, but it's
Can
a
you meet
fun,
me there?
it's a fun little thing.
I'm on my way.
My chest, that's me. It's burning. Should I It was burning, huh? I'm not even kidding. I keep pressing start. It's so annoying. We're gonna be okay, if I do say so myself. You want me to speak some more Maltese? Okay, so from now, we're going to go through this door, and we are going to fight that monster. Okay? Oh man, I hate that accent so much. That's a go. You see, it's a good thing I got rid of the stupid spiders because they would have they dealt damage anyway. But all right, so here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. I need to be careful because the little monster thingies are gonna make me. I'm not looking forward to this. That doesn't hurt. That didn't hurt, okay? That didn't hurt. That's not damage, okay? That's not damage. Unless... No, we're good. We're good. I'm gonna cheat. I don't care. I don't care. No! Hey, Lise! Welcome to the stream. So what's going on, basically, I'm playing Resident Evil. Each time I get damaged, I will... Okay, is that damage? I got damaged once, eh? I'm gonna get out of here, though. Okay, that's one damage, yes? That counts as a damage. The little insect thing is. The little insect. Number 12. Yeah, according to Jack, it's a number 12. So what's going on, basically, I'm playing Resident Evil 2, and each time I get damaged, I eat a chili. And apparently, it's number 12. I'm not looking forward to this. You know what the best part is? All that's left is big ones now. Ah! Yeah, it's a chili. Here we go. Can I have half of it? Because it's so big. Can I have half of it? No, because I won't be able to count it as a whole chili in the counter up there, you know. So yeah. Yes, it is. You saw the blood. Biggest, best vlog. You don't like a man. Here we go. You challenge my manhood right now. Ever played Parasite Eve? No. I watched Drew play it though. He loves it. He loves that game. All right. Okay. Here we go. You challenge my manhood. It's going down the hatch. Ooh. I'm throwing them on the floor. I need... Oh my goodness, they're all over the place. Oh my goodness. I spit it out as if... No, I didn't spit it out. Like a boss. Dude, I ate 11 chilies. Do you think I'm going to spit out the 12th one? Sure. It's not bad though. It's not that bad. It's hot, but bearable. Did Amy die? Amy, are you okay? I will do this again. The hot chili ones. 2,500. 1,500. That's a good vloggy, yeah? What? That's a good vloggy, yeah? Alright. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Ah, you're painting my chair. So cute. Alright. Here we go. I'm Mr. Bean. Alright, here we go. I didn't mean paint it right now, you know. I mean, I was asking jokingly mostly, but if part of me was serious, I didn't mean now. But thank you, I appreciate it. Vloggy, does someone have your address in case you fall to the floor? No, nobody knows where I live. This is my secret lair. All right, let's go. All right, so I made it out. What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and What? I thought I killed him! Okay, that's 1 damage, okay? No, this is stupid. That's 2. I thought I killed him! What? He was still alive! Man, this is so painful. Oh my goodness. Did he die? I just want to check real quick. Two more chilies. Did he die at least? Yeah, he died. Holy crap. What am I gonna do now? I have to eat another 2. The problem is this. I have a problem right now, okay? I didn't expect to eat this many chilies in my life. I mean, in this stream. I didn't expect this to happen. And I'm gonna be honest with you. No, they're just regular chilies. No, they're just regular chilies. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't expect to eat this many chilies. And I only have 2 left. And I just got damaged twice. So, here's the deal. I can either eat them right now. And that's it. And finish the rest of the game and take as much damage as I can. Whatever. Or maybe we can save them, I don't know, for something else. Does anybody have any ideas? I only have 2 left. I didn't expect to eat this many chilies. Oh man, I'm gonna burp. Hold on. I'm gonna do a Rick and Morty burp. It was a very loud one. What am I gonna do? What do we do? Rage quit? No, I'm not gonna rage quit. I don't care. Hey, Sam! I don't understand the challenge, but eat it right now. You know what? Sam just got here, okay? And she deserves to see me suffer. Shots. Amy wins. We do shots. Oh my goodness. We do shots. Love you so much, okay? You watch me suffer. All the girls like to watch me suffer. It is not good for me. Alright, chilies and shots. Oh my god. The thing is this. Oh my goodness. I don't have any mixers. So I need to prepare the stuff. I need to get the shot glasses. Well, shot glass. I could get the shot glass and pour 1 each time. Do you want to continue like that? Alright, 13. Alright, so shots it is. Shots it is. We can do it. Okay. Yes, cheer, go ahead. Do that. Message me. Alright, so. Alright, I'm trying to think. Hang on. Give me a secundo. Give me a sec real quick. Trying to think. This is insane. This is insane. So I'll get the shot glasses and I have, how much left do I have of this? There's not much left of this one. So I'm gonna have to open the Mandarin one as well. Oh man! Alright, that's fine. That's fine. So I'm gonna set it up because people expect to see chilies now and they're like, oh, no more chilies. And that's not good. That's cheating. That's cheap. Alright. So, desktop, art, hold on. No, not good. Hold on. Give me a sec. Give me a secundo, guys. Give me a secundo. Message me on Discord. Cheer. Message me on Discord. I'm on it right now. Oh, hold on. Hold on. All right. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. I found a nice image. Sorry, I'm Googling images right now. I'm sorry, but this has to be done. This has to be done. I'm sorry if I'm not paying attention to chat, but it needs to be done. Say it one more time, Vloggy. Needs to be done. Give me a second. Convert. I'm editing an image right now as we speak. I found an image off the internet right now and I'm editing it. All right, file, save, we're done. I just made a quick image. All right. Because I need the stream to be professional. Can we see drunk Vloggy? No, you're not gonna see drunk Vloggy. You're not gonna see drunk Vloggy, okay? Are we clear on that? So the chili goes up here. The equals 13 goes up there. And now we need to get another image. Add image. We're gonna call that shot. Okay. Browse. Shot. Here it comes, guys. Here it comes. Okay. It looks so good. It looks so good. All right. Can you see? I saw that already. What else? I need to do another equals. Add text. Okay. All right. And we're gonna do another equals 0. Okay. Good. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over here. No, don't do this to me. Oopsie, too big. What the heck? What the? So many things. I think I made a boo-boo. Why is this in reverse? What the? Why is this in reverse? This is strange. Okay, this is stupid. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. You try to add another equals in front of it. Maybe it helps. No, it wants to go like that. All right, you know what? I'm a smart cookie. There we go. La 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 la, no pantalones. There we go. You like that? Oh my goodness. Alright, so I just got a sub. I just got a subscriber and it says Giuliano Lessi. Thank you so much for subscribing. You sound Italian, so I will say it in Italian. Grazie per aver sottoscritto. I don't know if I don't know if I said that right. Sorry. All right, so I'm gonna get the move the mouse. I'm gonna go get the booze and the shot glass, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Be right back. BRB. Okay. Okay, so. Hey, Emerson. So what's going on? What's going on? What did I miss? I feel like I missed something in chat. I don't know. Did I miss something? I don't want to see how Vloggy dies on stream. So bye, guys. What you doing? No, don't. All right. So. You're leaving, Max. Seriously. And you messaged me, yes? Cheer messaged me. Hold on. Okay, give me a sec, guys. See ya, Mac. Take care, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate that. It says a video unavailable. The video sent me is unavailable. What you doing, man? What you doing? All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna start. So here we go. So one thing you should know about me is that I will never run out of booze in my house. I will run out of food. I will run out of water, but I will never run out of booze. So this is the Mandarin one that I told you about. This is the Mandarin one. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this one first, the blackcurrant, and then I'll switch over to. I have my shot glass, and we'll take it from there. All right, let's go. We're gonna continue. There's one more chili left. Okay, one more chili left, and I'm gonna be sick. Maybe. All right, let's go. Let's go. I got one more chili to go, so I'll finish this chili and then switch over to the booze. Let's go. I keep pressing start. I'm gonna do the voice acting. What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. The video you sent me, cheer, is not working. Oh, going down.
Ada! What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got Ben.
I was there, Leon. I know.
Look, Ada. As an officer, it's my job to look out for you. But we're not going to get through this alive if we don't work together. Okay?
All right. We'll do this your way for now.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's going on? What am I doing to everyone tonight? No. I muted it on purpose. Because Cheer just sent me a video of himself downing like hot chili sauce. What? I just saw Cheer downing what was ever left of bottle of a chili sauce. What? What am I doing to everyone? Stop it! You're gonna kill yourselves. Do not try this at home. This is only for the pros. You guys are awesome. All right, let's go. Oh my goodness. So now, first Amy, and now Cheer. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna shoot you, Ada. All right, let's go. Sakura's next. No, I'm kidding. Don't you even dare. Don't you dare. Half a... Yeah, there was a lot of left on it. Oh my... He downed it like... What? What you doing, man? Alright, so there's no point in going down there. Just gonna quickly... I don't need this. This, and this, and this, and this, and this. Bye. Bye, have a great time. Alright, so... I'm clearly a bad influence. That's it. That's it. If I jumped off a cliff, there would be Amy jumping, and there would be cheer. Don't do that. Don't try it at home. I'm gonna be responsible for a lot of anus burns tomorrow. I'm so annoyed at that thing. It's not working properly. I don't know why.
Ada! Heads up!
No, what if I do this then?
Leon, that woman was... I have to talk to her.
There we go. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. GG. Damn, Vloggy, you're... I wasn't. What? What you talking about? No, I wasn't. No. Don't worry me like that. Hold on. Don't worry me like that. Oh my goodness, I hope I don't get stun locked. Guys, if I get stun locked... Here, this is a scary part here in the game. This is... I don't like this. I'm not looking forward to this because I might get stun locked and die here. The game wasn't programmed correctly. Crabby and cranky. I don't think you're cranky. I don't think I ever saw you cranky. Run! Run! There we go. We're safe. Do you guys want to see the cutscene or we skip it? It's a good cutscene.
Don't move. You're the one who was with that cop, if I'm not mistaken. Identify yourself.
Ada Wong.
Ada Wong. I've heard that name before. Now I remember. One of the men from Chicago who came to assist the T-virus research used his girlfriend's name as his password. Ada and John, I believe.
How did you know? Who are you?
Annette Birkin. My husband is the man responsible for the creation of the T-virus. William Birkin.
What?
John's dead. He became one of those zombies. My condolences. And although I regret this, you will be joining him shortly. I won't let anyone take the G-virus away from me.
G-virus?
It's capable of creating the ultimate bioweapon. Its potential is even greater than that of the T-virus.
Then that must mean the creature in the police department is...
Precisely. My husband, William. And it's all Umbrella's fault. None of this would have happened if they hadn't tried to steal his research away from him.
This way.
It's sheer perfection. My precious G-virus. No one will ever take you away from me.
There he is.
So you finally come.
Doctor, we're here to collect the G-virus sample.
Sorry, but I won't just hand over my life's work.
Stop! You might hit the sample. That's it, all right. Okay, let's move out.
William! Oh my! Hold on, darling. I'm taking care of that bullet wound first. Stay here.
Alpha team, have you retrieved the sample yet?
Affirmative. We'll be at the rendezvous point in 1 minute.
Roger.
Are you telling me that he injected the G-virus into his own body?
The G-virus has the ability to revitalize cellular functions.
What was that? Something's wrong. Let's check it out. Over there! Shoot! Eat this, you freak! I'm stopping it! What is this thing? Hurry! What is this thing? Fire! Fire! You son of a...
So those rats were the carriers of the virus.
As a result of his virus-induced transmutation, William should have lost any prior memories he had as a human by now. Even worse, every G-virus bioweapon, including William, has the ability to implant embryos into other creatures.
And create offspring. No. Too bad.
Never mind. I was gonna do some. I was gonna make a joke, but I'm taking it back. No, never mind. All right, so where was I? Sorry. No, I didn't really deduct your pants. Hey, Jorg, welcome. Nice to see you. So basically, here's what's going on. Those of you that just joined, here's what's going on. I am playing Resident Evil, and I'm overly confident that I can finish the game with the least amount of damage as possible. And I dared myself and everyone else that for each time I get damaged, I would eat a chili. Alright, I bought a bunch of chilies, and I got damaged so many times that I actually ran out of chili peppers. I have one left, actually. One left. So now, once I run out of chilies, I'm gonna switch to shots. Oh man, I'm such a boob. Okay, my throat still burns a little bit, huh? Okay. Why did I pick up the shells? I don't know. Because I'm an idiot. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No spooder. Alright, we're good. I got some piece of chili stuck between my teeth. I need to get it out. Why not keep the chili, and if you die, eat the chili and take 3 shots? What? No, I'm not gonna take 3 shots. This is powerful stuff, huh? It's powerful, strong stuff, huh? The vodka, the absolute vodka that I have. So I'm gonna take it easy. How are you, Sapphire? Did I say hello to Sapphire? I don't think I did. Hello, Sapphire. How are you? Did you buy cheese for yeah, just for the challenge? Yes. Yes, Amy. I think she finished the drawing or something. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Ah! You're so good. You're so good. Wow. You're good. Can I show this? That is so good. That's so good. I like that. Thank you. All right, so wow. I was gonna say GG. GG. All right, let's go. It's really good. I'm very impressed. I'm very, very impressed. I'm thirsty. I feel like having a drink, but I feel like I will be forced to have drinks later, so... Guys, what's the most powerful gun? The Magnum or the upgraded shotgun? That is the question. Look, what did you do to my pants? No, I didn't do anything before. I was just kidding. I was just controlling what he says. I was kidding. I was just chatting from another computer with the other account. I was just kidding. Oh, come on, it's me, Vlogio. I will not do something like this. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna read what V4 just said. Ando en el cel lisa el pinche chat está mal. ¿Qué? Oh, by the way, that just didn't count, okay? That was just a cutscene. Let's go. Shoot him once. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Don't you... He's gonna upgrade the shotgun. Okay. I have a great time. You can check every 10 minutes now for the pants, so you probably just checked recently. Okay. Alright, let's go. This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
Leon.
This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
Quiet, Leon. I'll patch you up. That's 2 I owe you.
Don't mention it.
I need to
I just
concentrate,
found out. John's dead.
Ugh, I'm tired of this cutscene. Cheers, like 73. I'm kidding. I make a joke. I can't carry any more items. Okay. Oh, come on. You boob. Okay, did you just make me swear? Come on. Don't do that to me. Ada! Ada! There we go. I shot her in the head. My sweet vloggy Mario! It's me, Leon! How do I do this? Just need to do that. I keep pressing start for the menu. It's never happened to me this much. It's true, huh? As much as I love Ada the way she looks, I think she's gorgeous, but yeah, I don't like her character. My favorite part of the game. Right here. His gun is weak. Ugh, whatever. I'm not in the mood for cutscenes right now. Come on, let's go. Let's pick this up. I keep attempting to do a quick turn. I keep forgetting. No quick turn in this game. You shouldn't repeat things if you don't know what they mean. I know, right? Hey! Resident Evil talk! The thing is, I ran out of chilies. I ate all of them. I just have one last one to go. So when that happens, we're gonna switch to shots. Because, you know, pro, GG, 100%, and stuff like that. Ah, dang it. Ah. No! Did you guys see that? My goodness. I didn't realize. Alright, so according to Jackhammer, the shotgun is stronger than the Magnum if I upgrade it. So I'm gonna do that. And I don't need this. I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. I don't feel like doing this. Yeah, I was really close to a chili. I really was, Lloyd. That is not good. How are you, Ari Talk? How are you? It is the best part. It's my favorite area, but I am gonna get damaged. That is not good. I feel next chili. Yes, 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 yes. Me too, V4. And I don't feel like it, but yeah, I feel like it's very close. Elizabeth. Oh, you.
Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Still 0 hours. How weird. Alright, we're gonna do this. Come on. No damage. No damage. No, you can't, Aaron. No. I don't need moderators. No, don't run fast. Here it comes. Here it comes. I see you lurking. I see you lurking. Yeah, you said something about the tongue. Someone being the tongue of Lucky. I don't know. That was funny. Shut them all. No, no, no. I still have one pantalones to go. One pantalones. You ready? Ready? Here goes. Open wide. Oh, I don't feel like doing this. I had way too many of these now. Here we go. It's so big. No, I'm kidding. My goodness, my bowels, yeah. I'm worried about my bowels. All right. Yes, chili are out now. Next are shots. And I got the first one ready as well. Let's go. Biscuit, he made me eat another one. Fire in the hole! I know, right? Great combo. Is it a great combo or is it just sarcasm? I'm worried now. Oh man, that's weird. Makes me want a vindaloo. What's a vindaloo? I'm a noob, sorry. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna be okay now, Ta. That's a Maltese expression, sorry. Okay. Yeah, sarcasm. I was worried about that. That's okay. We're gonna be okay. I'm so OCD. These are annoying me. Hold on.
Wake up.
There we go.
Come on.
Was annoying me. Alright, so yeah, what's Vindaloo? I don't know. I love the music in the labs. I started to appreciate the music in the labs. It's really good. Ah, a very hot Indian dish. Maybe I had it once, I don't know.
Welcome back. Hey, take it easy. We're inside Umbrella's secret lab. I'll go find something to treat that wound, so just rest here in the meantime.
But I'll only slow you down with these injuries. Go. Save yourself.
I told you, it's my job to look after you.
But you'll be in danger if you stay with me. I know I've only known you for a short period of time, but I really enjoy being with you. I know I'm not capable of caring about anyone, but I don't want to lose you.
We're leaving this place
Wow, it's 3 a.m. I just realized.
I'll be right back.
Okie doke. I'm gonna change guns. Hold on, there are gonna be liquors down there. Ah! Let's go. It's 3 a.m., not 4 a.m. For you, it's 4 a.m. probably, yeah? Okay. There is no sleep for Vloggy unless I finish this. It's gonna be very straightforward for now. I know what's gonna get me next. Is the liquors, and William at the end. That's what's gonna make me take a shot or two. It's gonna be less painful. Definitely. More enjoyable. Alright, so take this here. Vloggy, our cheeks are kinda reddish. Of course they are. Of course they are. Poor Vloggy. Just what Resident Evil Talk said. Chilies and alcohol. Very good combination. Where am I from? Malta. It's a teeny tiny island in the Mediterranean. It's right below Italy and Sicily. It's like a beep. Yeah, that's where I'm from. Yeah, Elizabeth. I actually streamed that a while ago. I think it was in January. Wow. Maybe I should stream it again. I have so many versions of RE2. I should stream them. Oh, oops, I almost forgot. So. Not gonna take any chances, I'm just gonna take some distance. No, I'm not in the UK now. Okay, if I get hit with the vines, it doesn't count. Alright, cool. Okay. No, I'm not in the UK now. If I was, I'd be streaming with Amy. Right, Amy? Right? I remember correctly you told me there's a co-op version of RE2. Yeah, but the fan remake. There's a co-op version in the fan remake. I am gonna do it. RE4 tequila? No, as if. Each time I get damaged, what? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I will do it. Okay, hold on. Hold on. That's one. Oh man, he's gonna damage me, is he? Hello, Lika. Come get it, sucker. Did I get him? I don't think so. Oh yeah, lol. No, they don't count. Shut up. I'm not gonna do this. Maybe I can. I don't wanna. Yeah, it is very small. Very, very small. No, it's gone. Okay. There's another one. Okay, gone. Phew. Behind me, what? What? Iron Man? Spider-Man? Your mouth's still burning. You should try these, what I had. I'm sexy back. Welcome back, McKnight. I missed you. So we're gonna put this one in here. This one in here. And this one in here. Madagascar is way bigger than Malta. Hey, Sam! Mr. Sam! Trimboli, how are you, man? I'm doing well now. Surprise! Oops. Did you know that when you play as Chris in this game, the shotgun doesn't give him a recoil effect when you play as Chris? To imply that he's stronger than Leon? I'm just saying. Yeah, one of these days I'm going to stream all the RE2 versions that I have. I have the RE2 remake by Invader Games, as far as I can play it, you know? Hey, Vloggy, let's buy one of those shirts. You want it? You want it? It says VloggyBuddy time. It's a VloggyBuddy time, and it makes you look strong, look. It's true, it makes me look buff, this shirt. I'm not really buff, guys, okay? And, what was I gonna say? Yeah, I have a few demo versions of RE2. I have Resident Evil 1.5. I'll play Resident Evil 1.5 very soon. I miss playing that game. It was so good. There you go. You want to advertise? I need to pee. 1 hour, he got 42 pants points. Nice. What about me? What about me? I want to check my pants points. Zero hours. Still at 0 hours. What's up with that? Everybody remembers about the pants points all of a sudden. Oh man. Oh, no, I must not. There we go. And the Vinoms don't count. There we go. That doesn't count. That does not count. That doesn't count. Wow, V4! You have 103. I think you're the one that has the most. No, wait, cheer, 120. Why am I coming back here? Oh, yeah. Opening the card. Let's go. I need to pee. I need to pee badly. we are out of here. Hey, Dave, welcome. Okay, let me explain what's going on for those of you that just joined. Basically, I'm playing Resident Evil 2, and because I'm very cocky, and I think that I'm gonna finish the game without getting any damage, alright, I challenged myself that I would eat a chili each time I get damaged, and so far we're at 14 chilies, and I ran out of chilies, so we're gonna switch to shots now.
Never take it from me. This is my husband's legacy. Now, where's that spy you were working with earlier? You know who I'm talking about.
What?
You really don't know anything, do you? You're so gullible. She's one of the operatives sent here by the agency. The only reason why
Divine
she
got
came
me,
here
but
is
I'm
to
not counting
obtain
that.
the
That doesn't count.
virus.
That's cheap.
That's a lie.
No, it's the truth. I discovered this when I did a background check on her. She specifically got close to John and became his girlfriend to get information about Umbrella.
That can't be. I know her. Ada wouldn't do something like that.
If you don't want to believe it, I don't really care. You're about to die anyway. What happened?
Okay, chill.
The self-destruct sequence has been activated. Repeat, the self-destruct sequence has been activated. This sequence may not be aborted. All employees proceed to the emergency car at the bottom platform.
Somebody just subscribed. Who was it? Who was it? Dave Hermit. Thank you so much for subscribing. This is one of the games I stream the most. I stream this game a lot, and I challenge myself in different ways. A blindfold is next.
I've been waiting for you, Leon.
What are you doing?
Guys, I'm gonna go pee while this cutscene plays. I'll be right back. I have to urinate. That's a nice way to put it. I have to urinate.
Annette was right. About everything.
That's why I told you to leave without me, but you wouldn't listen. Now hand it over. Don't make me shoot you.
You can't do that. Ada! Ada! I've got you. Don't give up.
Leon, it's over. Just let me go.
Shut up. You're gonna make it.
It's too late, Leon. We both know it.
No! I promised you that we would escape. You just have to help me out here.
I really wanted to escape with you, Leon. Escape from everything. Goodbye.
Ada!
Okie dokie. I'm back. Alright.
So, this is what everyone's been dying for.
P-hype. Alright. It's funny how that I ran out of chilies. I didn't get damaged anymore. How weird, eh? No more, eh? Hey, Drew! How are you? Hey, Vloggy, I want to say this. Say it. Don't spray it. I didn't hear the water running because it's quite far away, the bathroom. Did you wash your hands, young man? Yes. I am guilty of not drying them properly, though, because they're still kind of moist. Thanks for being here for me. We have never been strangers. I've always known you. Thank you, Harry. Oh, that was nice. You see, that makes my day. That makes my day. You know, knowing that I made a stream and I made somebody happy today. You know? That makes my day. I appreciate that. Guys. Oh no, I got bitten. That was on purpose. That one was on purpose. That one was on purpose. Here it comes. You see, I'm running out of juice to make people smile, so I had to do that. Because Amy's like, you always make us smile, but I need fuel to make people smile, and I just made myself get damaged so that I can. Shot number 1. That was on purpose. All right. All right. Here we go. This is strong stuff, so I'm gonna make a face probably. You see, I'm using vodka instead of my sweet Johnny Walker. My black label, I'm not gonna use it to down it during a stream. Here we go. I'm gonna make a face. I hope I don't go. Wow. So good. Properties. There we go. Ah, look at that! The one! Why you do this? Why you do this? Look at that! It's so messed up. Can I change font? Maybe it's the font that's acting up. It won't let me change font actually. Is OBS crashing? Okay. I don't know what's going on. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, okay, there's the font list down there. Oops. Arial, perhaps. That's so strange. Look at that. Look at that. It went upside down. That's so strange. Yes, let's leave it like that. One is drunk. I amuse myself easily. Go home, One, you're drunk. That is so good. I'm gonna leave that like that. That's so good. I don't think I can do that even if I wanted. That's so it's OBS. It's glitched out. That's so funny. Ready to go again? Oh, I'm gonna make another shot because I'm gonna get damaged for sure. You know how it is. You know how it is. This is a bigger shot. This is a bigger shot. But because I wanted to empty the bottle, so this is. Let me show you the shot, by the way, because I don't want you to think that I'm drinking, like, you know. All right, so. Whew. So cool, the number. Upside down. I love it. Oh, I'm damaged. That's interesting. Alright, let's go. No, but seriously, going back to what Drew was saying and what Amy said, I appreciate that. You know, even making a stream and just having like 3 viewers, knowing that you know, 3 people enjoyed watching me talk about nothing. You know, makes my day. 5 minutes until detonation. Nation. This is such an awesome idea. You have to fight the boss until the elevator comes. It's so good. It's so original. I love it. Oh, Drew, I appreciate it. Right. Turn. So. There we go. Boom! I'm gonna get damaged a few times here, I think. Here we go. 38 likes? Wow, that's a record. Not sure if I got him. down, sucker. No! No! Here we go. Time to make a face. Here we go. No, I cannot do the opera. Shot time. Here we go. 1, 2. Wow, this is strong vodka. Time to update. Let's see if the 2 goes down upside down as well. Go home to you're drunk. Let's see. Yes. It's so good and it's so appropriate, you know. It's like the numbers are drunk. Sarah's still here. You lurky. All right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pour myself another because I know I'm gonna get damaged one more time at least. I have to open this. Is it still sealed? Is Sakura still here? I think she's gone, eh? Oh, if only I could describe the smell. Mandarin. But it's so strong. It's like fresh mandarin. I think I'm gonna drink some mandarin juice. Okay, here we go. I know I'm gonna get damaged one more time, so might as well. Let's go. Whew, always in lurk mode. Vomit on cam. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. That will never happen. No. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on! And that's the thing. I paused the game and I forgot the position and the location. Hang on, let me just get a good vantage point and I'll drink it. Don't worry. Give me a sec. Alright. I'm gonna drink it. Another shot! Get down! Alright. Number 3. Here it comes. Number 3. 3. I love how the numbers are drunk. I love it. Alright. Wow, this smells amazing. You touch my tra-la-la. One. Hesitating because I had 2 shots in a row. That one didn't count? What do you mean you're saying that it didn't count? No, it does count. No, it does count. No. It does count. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2. Wow. Continue music, please. I want more music. Somebody just subscribed. Who is it? Top Syrup Gaming. Welcome to the stream and thank you so much for subscribing. This is what I do. I laugh and make people laugh and make a fool of myself. I'm gonna be drunk by this. You know what I just realized? The first time I attempted the stream with damage counter and the shots, because I did it a while back, and I did shots. I ended the stream with 19 shots. We're getting close again. There's no personal best. 14, 15, 16, 17. 2 more shots and I would be just where I was when I initially did the stream. So here we go. 1, 2. Oh! Son of a biscuit. Alright. Got no choice, I have to do another one. Got no choice, I gotta do another one. Shot number 4. Beg me another one. Alright. Yeah, baby. Alright. I need to be in the right mindset to consume the next shot. Does anybody know what that's from? Come on, who goes first? This room is perfect for this chanting. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. Can anybody guess where that song is from? No, it's not Halo. No, Jack. Unless there's something in it. I never played Halo, so no. No, everybody's saying Halo. Really? Really? Am I doing a good impression of something? Maybe a poor impression of something? The main theme of Halo? Really? No, it's not. No. I'm gonna sing the full thing now. You're gonna go, Elizabeth? But no, don't. Okay, go. Bye, have a great time. Thank you so much for hanging out, Elizabeth. I appreciate you hanging out with us. So, everything is going to come. Vloggy starts to sing opera. Sam. Only because you typed it. Okay, it's not Halo. It's not Halo. I'm gonna sing the full thing now. Alright, here we go. Me. No, it's not Tomb Raider either. No, nobody knows it. Final Fantasy. No. Here we go. I'm gonna sing the full thing. Once I sing the full thing, you're gonna know what it is. Alrighty then. Sorry, I lost breath. I can try again. Alrighty then. Come on. Ace Ventura! Emily got it. But yeah, because I said alrighty then. No, it's Ace Ventura. You see, my streams are fun. I make you guess because I make you guess songs. Oh, this room is perfect with the echo. I love it. I found a song that I can sing in this room. Anyway, let's go. I have a feeling I'm gonna get damaged again. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Ooh, sucker! GG. 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, it's an improvement. Last time I took 19 shots. This time I took 17. That's an improvement. Alrighty then. Okay, we did it. You guys want to see some stuff from my shelf? I'll show you some stuff from my shelf. This is, I don't know, 1:16. I don't know, there's like the ratio, the replica of, like, you know, you get the 1:16 scale of the DeLorean from Back to the Future. I'm a big fan of Back to the Future, so yeah, that's one thing on my shelf. And I can't stand up. I just realized I'm not wearing any pants. I need to be careful. Hang on. Like a glove! Alright, so let me show you something else. Alright, I think I can reach that one without you seeing my underwear. If Wesker was here, he would love this one. This I got from Comic-Con. It's Majin Buu. I love it. It's Kid Buu, actually. It's Kid. I love him. Yeah, I love him. Come here. Come here. Alright. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I wanted to make people panic that I left the game running and the counter was counting down. Nobody was like, Vloggy, you're getting distracted. Nobody said anything. Oh, man. See you, Liz. Take care. Thank you so much for hanging out. You're awesome. You know I'm hungry now. It's 3:30 in the morning. I think I'm gonna cook some sausages. I like the sausage. There we go, GG. What happens if the counter... You know what? I never saw what happens if the counter goes down. I never saw anyone stream it or anyone on YouTube, and I never tried. Nobody knows. Can you imagine if nothing happens? Can you imagine when the alarm hit 0 goes, bazinga? It wasn't really gonna blow up. I was hoping you'd have one. I'll take one shot for the GG. Let's have one more shot for the GG. Why not? Why not? Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out. You guys are awesome.
Yes, I'm
Is V4 still here? If V4... This is a challenge. If V4 is still here right now, I'm gonna sing that song that I was talking about Pokemon earlier. Together forever, no matter how long. From now until the end of time. If she's here, I'm gonna sing it. If she's here. Show yourself, V4. Show yourself, V4. She's not here. That's why I issued the challenge, because I know she's not there.
Goodbye, Ada.
Wow, Leon looks ugly in this game. In the cutscenes. I love this music. Hey, Chase! Hey, Chase! Nice to see you, buddy. No, V4's not here. V4's not here. That's why I issued the challenge, because I knew she wouldn't be here. Actually, told me to tell you good luck and hi. Oh. Okay. Thank you, Julie, for delivering that message. Let's everybody check how many pants they have. Let's check how many pants we got now. Why not? Let's check how many pants we got. What? VloggyBuddy has a mind of its own. Oh man. Oh my goodness, V4's here. Somebody told her. Somebody told her to show up. Somebody must have. Come on. Come on. Seriously, V4. Did you... Are you here for the challenge, V4? Do you know what I'm talking about? Somebody just subscribed. MiloCast Gaming. Thank you so much. Welcome to the stream. You caught me at the end of my stream, though. No. I think V4 just showed up and he has no idea what's going on. V4, do you know what's going on? Do I have to sing? Oh my god, it's gonna be cringy. Oh. You know, when I drink, I feel like singing all the time. Drink. Sam says drink, so I'm gonna drink. Oh, it smells so good. The music is so good here. No, Cheer, don't say that. She wasn't here. And V4 say, you summoned her. Cheer, you summoned her. You. You summoned her. Alright. Cheer, will you let me off the hook? May I not sing it? Can I back off from my promise? I will show you my legs. Down the bottle. Yep, you're right. Alright, I'm gonna sip this because I don't want to down it. I want to enjoy this. V4, will you let me off the hook, please? Please. Can I not sing? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 3 hours and 3 minutes, 14 chili peppers, and 3 shots with 0 saves. Come on. Come on. Eat that, Lord Rage. I'm kidding. He's probably lurking. Oh, man. I dare you to do that, Lord Rage. Channel is not live. What? What did you just say, VloggyBuddy? What? What you doing? Uptime. What? What the heck is that? Channel is not live. I am live. Okay, that's a command that I haven't done yet, probably. You worried me for a second there. It's probably a command that I never set up. Alright, V4 is not here. So I'll take that as a... You're off the hook. Alright. No, we lost, Loggy. You lost what? No, there's no bank heist. I don't think I set it up. I think I set up, hold on. Since you're playing around with the thing. I have enabled, come on. I have enabled something. I don't know what it was though. Gambling? Yes, gambling. Bet. It's bet. B-E-T. You do the bet. No, it's not a flip coin. No, it's bet. You do bet. Bet. Let's I'm gonna do a bet. All right, let's do a bet. Bet. I don't know. I'm gonna bet 10 because I'm not getting much. Raid. How many people are we right now? Let me see. I'm gonna check. You know, I don't like seeing how many. Boo! You lost. I hate you, VloggyBuddy. VloggyBuddy hates me. All right, who's streaming right now? Hold on. I'm gonna check real quick. Hold on. I want to see who's streaming. If nobody I care about is streaming, Wesker's streaming. Oh, we're gonna go to Wesker's. All right, we're gonna go to Wesker's, and we're gonna say Vloggy Raid. Hold on. He's playing RE4. Let's go say hello to. Let's go say hello to Wesker. Hey, Milocast. I'm not gonna go clear B. No, I drank too much. I cannot go clear B. And it's 3:37 a.m. right now. I need to get some sleep. All right, let's go raid. Mr. Wesker. He's playing RE4. He's awesome. Go tell him VloggyBuddy sent you, or what do you say? Vloggy raid, something like that. Okay, so paste. Poof. Listen to what VloggyBuddy says. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You guys make the stream awesome, not me. All right? I want you guys to know that. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Ciao!